Bernali Bora. I'm from Assam. I'm studying in Kalka Dental College, BDS first year. This college is near Delhi and it is very accessible. The atmosphere of this college is so peaceful and we felt like home here. All the faculty members are so supportive. The infrastructure of the college is so good. We are served with all the latest equipments. We have separate lecture halls and labs for all our subjects, cultural events, sports, and other extracurricular activities are held here from time to time, and we enjoy a lot. The hostels are also pretty good. The infrastructure of hostels are good. We have gym, swimming pool, basketball court, large playground here. We also have mess which provide good food. We have canteens and we have all other necessary stuffs we need here. I'm so glad I'm studying here and I will pursue my further studies from here. Thank you.
This is Dr. Syed Tausif, first year postgraduate student in the Department of Orthodontics and Dentofacial Orthopedics. I am from Bangalore, Karnataka. Kalka Dental College is located in the National Capital Region, Delhi. It is located on a highway and it is really accessible from the Delhi International Airport. The campus of the college is really great. The infrastructure of the college is really good. The campus holds a football ground, a cricket ground, basketball ground. The college hosts various extracurricular activities, and the college also has two different mess which serves delicious food separately for the girls and boys. The hostels are also separate. The postgraduate students are provided with well-furnished hostels separately. With respect to the departments are really well equipped. The faculty over here are really well qualified and trained to handle the students and the studies. The head of the Department of Orthodontics is a really well qualified and a very popular figure in the region. The principal of the college has got tremendous experience. With respect to the Director PG Studies, he holds enormous experience in handling the postgraduate studies. The college usually and regularly holds continuous developmental education programs like CD programs, and it also holds extracurricular activities.